Today, we're diving into EMS massagers, a game changer for muscle recovery, pain relief, and relaxation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new video. What is EMS? I've been curious about EMS massagers lately, and I've learned a lot. Let's start with the basics. EMS stands for Electrical Muscle Stimulation. These devices send small electrical impulses through the skin to cause your muscles to contract, just like how your brain tells your muscles to move. Here's a quick breakdown of how it works. You place electrodes over your target muscle group. The device sends low-level electrical pulses. Your muscles contract in response, just like a mini workout. These contractions can improve blood circulation, reduce soreness, speed up post-workout recovery, even strengthen muscles in rehab settings. Who should use EMS? EMS can be helpful for a variety of people. Athletes and gym goers for faster recovery. People with chronic pain or arthritis under supervision. Physical therapy patients. Bodybuilders for muscle toning and definition. What are the pros of EMS massagers? It's non-invasive. Can ease pain and speed recovery. May improve circulation and muscle tone. It's portable and easy to use. As a bonus, some models offer heat massage or app control. What are the cons of EMS? It's not a substitute for real exercise. Results vary. It's not safe for everyone. For example, people with heart conditions, epilepsy, pregnancy. Incorrect use can cause discomfort. Good devices can be pricey. If you wonder, is EMS worth it? Yes and no. Yes, if you're using it as a recovery tool or under medical guidance. No, if you expect it to replace your workouts, or you have any health conditions that make EMS unsafe. Who should avoid EMS? People who have heart problems, are pregnant, have epilepsy or seizure disorders, use a pacemaker or implanted device, are under 18 unless approved by a doctor. Tech features in modern EMS devices. Some modern EMS units can come with some extras as mobile apps for tracking, remote control for intensity, heat or vibration for extra comfort. So my final thoughts. EMS massagers can be a great addition to your fitness or recovery routine, but they're not a magic fix. Use them correctly, follow the instructions, and when in doubt, talk to a healthcare professional. Here are some additional tips for you. First, start with a basic model if you're new. I'll drop some links in the description below for different muscle groups. In case you make a purchase, I'll earn some small commission at no extra cost for you. Second, always follow the instructions and avoid overuse. Also, use it in combination with exercise, not as a replacement, and consult with a doctor if you have any health concerns. If you got any questions about EMS massagers, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.